let's talk about life at campus. You all are going in the 11th grade, and how does it feel? Yeah, college is different than school. So it's a transition, and I want to talk about 5 things you should take care and make the most out of your life at campus. Number one, managing independence and freedom. You're free the choice of what dress to wear, free if you want to attend the session or bunk, free to make new friends, free to eat food in the canteen, and free to use your time the way you want. Freedom often comes with more responsibility. You will have a lot of independence in making your own decisions. I just want you to be careful while making decision, because in the age group up to the age of 25, our rational brain is not fully developed. So our tendency to make decisions are always emotional. So therefore, if you have to make a decision about do something or not do something, bunk a lecture or don't bunk a lecture, or do certain travel with somebody or not do certain travel with somebody, delay your decisions as much as possible. That's the best way. Otherwise, you will become very subjective in your making a decision, because we may think very emotionally, right? So that's what I would say from managing independence and freedom. Second, managing your parents. Very, very important. You will see that they are more and more curious about you and what's happening in your life, right? So sharing is, the more you share is less. So therefore, I would advise you to share more, because the parents are feeling very worried what kind of friends you have, what kind of influence you will be under. Are you attending the lectures or not? Are you paying attention to your health or not? Are you studying? It's always good to involve them, share what's happening in the college, what you're learning, and be honest. Winning their trust will help you to take them off your back, and that will be a good thing to begin with. Third, asking for help. There's a lot of pressure in being new to the college. Will I fit the new environment? Am I likable? Right? So a lot of emotional upheaval which you will go through. And it's always good to involve your friends or think aloud, because you're not alone. A lot of students like you are facing the same situation, and asking for help is a strength, not a weakness. Think aloud with someone, share what you're feeling, rather than sulking on your own and feeling worried or not sure of how to do or what to do, right? So ask people and seek help. The fourth thing I would say is making new friends. I know you have to do this all over again after school. And how do you do that? The first impression is often when you look at the dress and the way the person looks. But these are the quick short list, but not necessarily will tell you how the person is. The character and the quality of the person, that matters, and that's more long term when you have to build a relationship with or make new friends, right? So how do you find that out? Everyone is in the first 6 months is exploring. How do you know about the character and qualities? Think about what movies they like, what subjects they like to study, what are their hobbies, what do they in their pastimes, what's their family background, what's their idea of a holiday, what's their idea of a movie, right? Things like that will at least give you a sense, and as you interact more, you will get to know how this individual is. Fifth, and the most important one, is challenge yourself. This is the time where you can build multiplier skills like communication, skills which can be used any point in time of your career or of your life, right? So these are multiplier skills. So communication skills, curiosity, your learning orientation, ability to say no, making effective. These skills are paramount. So use the platform of college to participate in extracurricular activities, organize events, get into inter-college festivals, and explore, because that will help you to shine and build your overall personality. And be curious, study in the library, try to make the best version of yourself. And therefore, it's important to reflect weekly. What are you learning? How are you gaining? What skills are you learning for your own self, right? So make the best use of these 5 tips.